Top 10 Tricks to Improve Your Immune System. Does Ultron and Thanos scare you? Of course it should. It took the entire Avengers team to defeat these supervillains. Mind you, it was not an easy task. The Avengers have a trick or two up their sleeves to beat the daylight out of them. The same goes for viruses, bacteria, and fungi. These microscopic germs are silent killers with capabilities of wiping out humanity just like the supervillains. Your body is serious. Your immune system is compromised by the chemicals from the cigarette. Think of it this way. Your soldiers, the white blood cells, battles the infections and diseases in your system. Since the chemicals you have inhaled causes a lot of damage in your body, your soldiers cannot keep up and will be overrun by the enemies, hence weakening your immune system. The only way for you to reverse this can be assured that not only are you taking in good bacteria, but you're also on your way to lose weight. When was the last time you visited your doctor? If you can't remember then, it is high time to drop by his clinic. And while you're there, ask for your shots. Getting vaccinated is in our sixth place. Vaccination is an important way to improve your immune system as it prepares your body for viruses and other germs. By introducing a weaker form of virus in your body, your system will start producing antibodies, or it will adjust to strengthen your immunity. Almost everybody had their shots when they were young, but flu vaccine is done yearly. Why do you need to get shot every year? Simply because flu viruses evolved so fast. The one you had last year cannot protect you from the new form of viruses. Having a bottle of beer after a hard day's work is such a pleasure, but having five will be a cause of displeasure to others. Drinking in moderation occupied our fifth place. Enjoying a glass of wine after dinner is not a bad thing. Just don't go overboard, for your immune system can't adjust to too much alcohol. If you have been consistently drunk, you might have noticed that you easily catch colds and flu among other illnesses. Not only that, since alcohol can't be stored in the body, the liver have to work double time to get rid of the alcohol in your system, resulting for the liver to be badly damaged. You're not prohibited, just drink responsibly. Dessert is like an icing on a cake, but just like an icing, it is beautiful but not essential. Lessening sugar intake is on our fourth place. It is a known fact that sugar may lead to diabetes and heart disease, but it can also weaken one's immune system. One study indicated that sugar can momentarily weaken the white blood cells. Remember, we mentioned that white blood cells are like your private soldiers. If these soldiers got sugar overload, they will go into temporary coma, and you will be defenseless for 5 hours. It doesn't mean that you should stop eating sweets, but you have to ensure that you only take 10% of sugar in your daily calories. That'll be about 6 teaspoons worth. One should move for one to survive. It only means that you should get out of bed and get in your sweatsuit and start circling the block. Sweating it out through exercise lands on our third spot. By doing a 30-minute exercise daily, you're helping your soldiers, the white blood cells, boost their ability to respond fast in detecting the presence of bacteria or viruses that would want to harm your body. It also appears that you can lessen your chances of getting colds or flu by exercising, for it can flush away the viruses from your lungs. As you also work out, when the body temperature rises, the bacteria cease to grow and can't be a cause of infection. So choose the kind of exercise that works for you and start working out. Having an appetite just like Jughead Jones can be troublesome. One would wonder how his heart is faring after all the burgers he devoured. Feasting on fruits and vegetables took our second place. If you want to boost your immune system, then you have to learn to love cabbage, spinach, kale, and other green, leafy, and cruciferous vegetables. And embrace the sumptuous taste of avocado, kiwi, apple, berries, and other fruits. You should start looking for a plant-based diet that can work out for you. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help you fend off bacteria and viruses that cause a number of illnesses. Condition your mind that you love plants more than meat, so that you get to eat a plate of salad with pleasure. What better way to cap off our list but an activity that is delightful and should not be so hard to do? Getting enough sleep is on the top spot. For most people, they don't have trouble sleeping, but they just don't have the time. If that is the case, then you should try working out your schedule, for your health will be compromised if you lack sleep. During sleep, your immune system produces cytokine, which plays an important role. This protein acts like a chemical messenger of one cell to the other so that your immune response can be regulated. Your body cannot produce enough cytokine if you lack sleep. How many hours is enough? Of course, the longer the better does not apply to this. You can't have a 20-hour sleep just like a sloth or an erratic 3 to 4 hours sleep just like an elephant. For an adult, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is enough to recharge. These 10 tricks will be enough to defeat those little killers. The only requirement is your commitment and you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos.